Right now, our API is showing a sentiment score of plus 0.06 for mobile, which is notably above the historical baseline. This suggests that there's a rising positive sentiment around mobile tech that you can leverage. The momentum. It's stagnant at plus 0.00, meaning there's stability in the sentiment, but no immediate change in momentum to watch. With 17 semantic clusters identified, you can dive deep into specific themes driving this sentiment. For example, if you're building an app in the mobile space, you could use this data to tailor your features or marketing strategies to align with the current positive sentiment trends. See the insights our API provides and how they can enhance your project at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.